In this video, I will show you different types of bathrooms and how you can plan them. This is a one-sided bathroom arrangement where you have sink, bathroom and bathroom on one side. If you want more privacy between the vanity and the toilet and bathtub, this is how you can do it. But if you only want privacy for your bathtub, then this is the arrangement where you can place a wall as a privacy divider. Then you have a different typology like this, where you place toilet and the bathtub on one side of the wall and the double vanity on the other side, with some space for the linen cupboard. You can also replace the bathtub with the shower, of course. The next arrangement is a bit of a luxury option, where you have a large bathtub and a large shower and double vanity. The toilet is placed behind that wall, so it creates a bit more privacy. To have enough space for the pathway, make sure your bathroom is at least 2.5 meter wide. The next one is another one-sided option, where we have the shower and the bathroom behind the screen, so nothing can get wet, and sink and toilet in front of the screen. If you have a really tiny bathroom, then this option could be for you. Make sure the shower door is at least 60 centimeter wide. This option could be good for a student unit or a guest bathroom. The next option is a more preferred small bathroom, where you have the door in the middle, toilet on one side, shower on the opposite side, and a long bench for the basin. Let me know what you think about this video, and don't forget to follow.